Login failed on Pearler Fix. You open the Pearler app, ready to check your portfolio or place a trade, but then it happens login failed. It's a common issue, and it always seems to happen at the worst possible time. But don't worry, most Pearler login problems have simple explanations and even simpler fixes. First, double check your login details. Pearler uses your email and password, and both are case sensitive. If you're using saved credentials, try typing them manually. Sometimes browsers or phones store old passwords that no longer match your account. If that's the case, tap Forgot Password and follow the steps to reset it securely. Next, make sure your network connection is stable. Pearler won't log in properly on weak Wi-Fi or restricted networks. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, disable it temporarily. Pearler may block massive addresses for security reasons. If you're using the Pearler app, check for updates. Outdated versions often fail after system changes or security upgrades. Visit your app store, install the latest update, then restart your phone before trying again. If you're logging in via desktop, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old session data can interfere with authentication, especially if you've recently changed your password. Once cleared, go directly to Pearler Cam instead of using a saved bookmark. Another tip, check Pearler's social media or status page for scheduled maintenance. Sometimes logins are temporarily disabled while updates roll out. It's rare, but it does happen. If none of these work, try logging in from a different device. If that succeeds, the issue is likely on your original browser or app. Most people assume a login failed message means something serious, but that's rarely the case. With a few quick checks, password, connection, cache, and updates, you'll usually solve it fast. And once you're back in, you can focus on what matters most, growing your long-term investments through Pearler's simple, stress-free platform.